Welcome bosses. In this video, I'll show you how to set up testimonials. So go into your dashboard, click on testimonials. You can see I already set up a couple just to make it look nicer, but we'll add a testimonial over here. Let's say Lisa Green, put a title, put a CEO, Green's photography, and a quote. We'll put Steve really helped me take my photography business to the next level. Highly recommended. And we'll just fix that. Okay, so now you have the name, title. Now you'll be able to add a photo next. So we're going to save the testimonial. And you'll see there's no photo, but we can add a photo. And we'll select the file. You can add from Facebook, from wherever you want. We'll just add from over here. And you see you could crop it. Click upload. And you see you now have the face there. So now it automatically updates. You don't have to update it yourself. So when you view your page, you'll see these are these three testimonials, Greg, Sumiko, and Lisa. And I'll just show you over here. You could drag and drop to reorder however you want. And again, it updates automatically. Very slick. And of course, you're able to customize the colors as well. Anyway, that's how testimonials work. And on to the next video.